Hello there. Extreme weather has East Asia in its grip. We've seen historic heat in places like China, the Korean Peninsula and Japan, with records broken on a daily. But we're also seeing exceptionally wet weather. That's thanks to Typhoon Gaime. It touched down in Fujian province as a tropical storm, and it's continued to flood its way further north. We're expecting 200 to 300 millimeters of rain from this system as the remnants continue to push their way towards the northeast across northern parts of the Korean Peninsula and onwards to Japan. Now, despite the wetter weather that's going to flood into northern parts of Japan, it is still a very hot and humid situation across the south. We're about 7 degrees above the average in Tokyo on Tuesday, with very hot and humid conditions dominating. And hot and humid conditions are the story across parts of Pakistan. The monsoon rains will continue to flood into western parts of India. We've got red warnings out for Gujarat, where we have already seen flooding. But we are going to see that rain start to pour into southern and central areas of Pakistan. You can see the very heavy rain picking up in Karachi on Monday and moving north by Tuesday. Hello there. The monsoon rains are in full swing across India. We've seen very heavy rain across western areas in recent days, and that's caused flooding and waterlogging in Gujarat state. Now, we're expecting the rain to continue to pour in here on Sunday. We've got red warnings out for Gujarat, amber stretching from Rajasthan all the way down to Kerala, with some pretty breezy conditions as well for coastal areas. Now, the rain is set to pick up on Monday for the northeast, with some bursts of rain for Bangladesh as well as Bhutan and Nepal. The wettest weather, however, continues to pour into the western parts of India, southern parts of Pakistan as well. We could see some flooding from that heavy rain. And the flooding woes aren't over yet for China as we move to East Asia. You can see the remnants of Gaime continuing to bring a heavy arc of rain from the south of China through the Korean Peninsula towards the northeast, Russia's Far East and onwards to Japan. So relentless rain expected here on Monday. But for eastern areas of China, it's still a very hot and humid situation. Temperatures well above the average for Shanghai, 36 degrees Celsius there on Monday.